go straight up there. I followed this piece of string, but no, and then we're in the fucking green fields. We should have gone to the right. I think, right, because I allowed us to go off-road originally when I made the routes, therefore, as long as I plotted it accurately, it took us where I plotted it, plus off-road, yeah? And then when it just searches now, it'll let us do off-road as well to get in between. So we could have stayed on that fucking road. But you don't know that until you do it, do you?
Okay, so we got to turn round.
We're going to turn round back to where that V was and go on the drop down. I nearly turned round near that house then, but I'll turn you round, baby. I'll get yours round to here. I'll turn it round here, and is that okay?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to put the side stand.
Just go forward a bit and...
No, I'll have to go back.
Okay, whatever you prefer. You know when, after the photograph, when you rode off, and then we had to turn round and then rechange the route?
Yeah.
I've got the bike. You're, when you were trying to turn round, you were struggling to turn.
Yeah.
You had the front brake on while you were trying to turn.
I know, I have to. I do that. That's me.
Okay.
Ugh.